Okay, so you are in LibraryAware, you're logged in, and you want to find the promotional program posters. So you're going to either create a promotion or in one of your already created promotions, create an item. So create item, and it's in the print drag and drop under flyers events. And then in the search bubble, you type in NLLS, and there's your posters. So you click whichever poster you're looking for, select this template, and now you're going to want to put in your date, let's say December 3rd, 2019, and let's put 1:30 p.m. Public library. And if you wanted to add more information with your text, let's say it's another subheader, drop it in. Whatever, for kids. And then you move it to where you want it. Change the color. White. And then you save it. You name your poster, click save. And that's it.